What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over BitTorrent, guys, BTT gang. Currently on the day, we're down about 1%, sitting on market cap 2.61 billion, 24-hour volume 214 million. So let's pop over into this analysis, guys. So we're here on the daily chart, and we're starting to break our trend line of support in our ascending triangle here, and we're hitting a bit of resistance along the 20 EMA. So I'm going to pop it open to the 4-hour chart. So we're here on the 4-hour chart. In our last BitTorrent video, we did talk about this double top pattern, and if we were to break this neckline about 0.0039, what could bring us all the way down to 0.0032. It's a possibility, guys. But I do want to show you guys BTT on the hourly as well. So you can see here on the golden ratio, the 0.618, I pulled my fib from this swing high down to this swing low. We've been hitting a lot of resistance, and when we continue to hit resistance, guys, you're going to roll over. And if I pop it open here on the hourly, let me open this up here. Yeah, so we can see here on the hourly, we had a double top. Here's your top, here's your second top, and we've broken underneath. Let me draw this down a little bit. Underneath our neckline, just going to give a quick measurement here. And that has kind of brought us down to our level of support. Come down to about 0.00392 out of that double top. So always look for your patterns, guys, if you're interested in shorting. If you're trading on the way up and on the way down, that was a little tiny, like 2% short here for BTT. So guys, if we lose the support of 0.0039, you can see a bunch of support and resistance in this area. The 0.5 on the Fibonacci here at about, the 0.382 on the Fibonacci at about 0.0037, guys. If we do lose that 0.0039, if we do lose that 0.0039, you can anticipate that will come down to that 0.0037. Now, if we were to bounce, if we were to find support here, it's looking a bit more bearish, but it's always possible. If we were to find support here and bounce back, you have key levels of resistance right here, 0.0040. You can see all the resistance in this area. It's also the golden ratio, so it would be crucial for us to get back above that. However, you do have the bearish cross of the 20 over the 55, and if we start hitting those as resistance, it will push the price downwards. All right, guys, if we quickly look at Bitcoin here, let me pull open Bitcoin. So we can see here with Bitcoin, we're falling out of our symmetrical wedge here, and we're starting to hit it as resistance. When you back test it as resistance, that's your signal that you're going to see some future sell-off here. Now you can see that double top pattern as well with Bitcoin. Looks like I've already drawn it in, where you have your top, your second top, very similar, and then that would bring you down here to about 35,225 for Bitcoin. Now our next level of support for Bitcoin is about 34,779. You can see the support in this area. If we continue to hit resistance, we have fallen out of our symmetrical triangle here. Now there are a few technical analysis wizards here on YouTube. Let me put this onto the 4-hour. And I believe we're just going to kind of trade sideways for a while here, which would invalidate our symmetrical triangle. Because the breakdown from this triangle is pretty severe. Also a possibility here, but that could take Bitcoin all the way down to about 25K. It is something to keep an eye on. If you see us just continue to kind of trade sideways, if we are to find support at 34,779 and then we bounce, it could invalidate that structure, and we might just trade sideways for a while. And then Bitcoin's key level of resistance would be up here. You can see how much resistance was in this area, about 38,686. If we do bounce here off 34,779. All right, guys, so we'll quickly look at BTT, the future price targets. If this is our true bottom, now guys, if Bitcoin were to see that future sell-off and see that symmetrical wedge correction play out, and we were to drop to 25K, we would most likely create some new lows here for BTT. However, if we just kind of trade sideways for a while, we do have those future price targets at 0.0021, 0.0027, and 0.0039 for BTT. All right, guys. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, of course, your master energy. Falling out of this symmetrical wedge or symmetrical triangle isn't a good sign, in my opinion. The fact that we're backtesting as resistance. So if we do fall and we start to break through these levels of support, that's when you could expect us coming down to that 25K. However, if we find support and we bounce, then we might just trade sideways for a while, as a few of these analysis wizards have been talking about here on YouTube. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash that like button, subscribe. You can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.